Let's talk about the locking system first. In a lot of mechanical mods, the way that the locks work, you have to keep unthreading a bottom ring to force the button not to make connection.
Right.
The problem with that is, first that you have to keep unscrewing to get down. And sometimes, since there is no audible, you think that you have your mod locked and it's still on. You put it inside your pocket, it's gonna fire. This utilizes a 30-degree lock with an audible. So the mod is on now. If I turn it to 30 degrees right there, it's locked. It's not gonna fire. Turn it 30 degrees, now the mod will fire. And you can also hear, you don't actually have to look at this while you're doing it, so you can just sit down, you hear the click, you know that your mod is locked, and you can put it inside the pocket.
Microphone, maybe we can actually catch the click. Okay, so hopefully that'll come through in the video. But it's got an extremely high quality feel to it when you make that click. I mean,
yes, you definitely know that you got this mod locked and it's not going to fire, which is unlike the button on it they're using something completely different. I have never seen this in a button before.
Right.
There is no spring and there is no magnet inside. And John will tell you a little bit more details about the button because, you know, I'm a feel vapor. I'm not a technical vapor, but they'll tell you a little bit more of the details. The button, I did have a lot to do with it when I was in Greece, because they were asking me, do you think this idea was great? And I said, absolutely. I mean, well, you don't have to keep threading it to lock a device, just a little simple. You can just hear it. I know it's locked. I don't have to worry about it and put it in my pocket.
Before we get to the button, because we are going to show the internals of the button, which is really nice of him to do that for us. Because the button doesn't use a spring in the traditional sense of a spring, and there are no magnets.